Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at the Craftsman CMX 30CG 771 garage door opener. That'd be it right there. This kit includes the track, the trolley, the motor, two fancy 3-button remotes. Look at that. It's already pre-programmed. Center button is for this. And a wireless keypad so you can put it on outside and open her up from the outside. This has a lifetime motor and belt limited warranty. It is a smart garage door opener kit that you can link to your phone through My IQ Connect. You can use your phone. You can get the app on the Apple or the Google Play Store. This particular model is a 3/4 horsepower motor. It is for a 7-foot door. If you have an 8-foot door, you will have to buy an adapter kit. Or if you have a 10-foot door, it also comes with an adapter kit. But it comes with the safety sensors. The garage door opener on itself does have 2 lights on it. The light bulb's not included. We yesterday spent about, I don't know, maybe 3 hours taking one down and putting this one up. We got, like I said, this is for a 7-foot door. We do have an 8-foot door. However, the adapter kit is not available at the present time. I went to Lowe's and even tried to order it online, but right now it is currently unavailable. We replaced a chain-driven opener with this belt drive, and I'm truly amazed at how quiet these belt drive motors are. I'll show you the difference of them here in a minute. And you can see all the specifications on the box there. We do Super Slick Trick does highly recommend you put LED bulbs in all your stuff there. It save you electricity. And LED bulbs don't get hot, so no risk of fire. But anyway, we're fixing to open and close one door that has a belt drive, and then we're going to open. There is the thing overhead there. It really don't look like a whole lot of difference in them light bulbs up there, but on the left is a daylight bulb, and on the right is a soft white bulb. It doesn't look like a big difference here on the camera, but here in the shop, it's a real big difference. You can see one is kind of like a yellow glow, and the other is super white. So if you're going to put any light in your shop, we highly recommend you go with the daylight bulbs. It'll provide you with a lot more light. And bless the mess in the shop there. If y'all got a clean shop, send me a picture of it. Mine stays pretty junky all the time. The Craftsman door opener Does also come with this fancy button on the wall there. That's a button to turn the light off. And it does have a motion sensor. So when you enter the building, the light comes on. It looks like a temperature and a clock. And the top button is to raise and lower the door. And so we're going to do that here shortly. And I'll show you the difference between a chain drive and a belt drive motor. You know, all doors are going to make some noise with the rollers, but try to pay attention to the motor and stuff. You can hear the door popping a little bit, but the motor is super quiet, and the belt is super quiet, versus the chain drive here. You can hear the clinking on the chain a lot more than you can the belt. I'm raising and lowering the garage door is fun, but just something about pushing a button to make it do it. Wonder why they don't have like push button entry doors where you can just push the button, the door will open for you. There you go. There's $1 million idea if you come up with a thing that just bing bing and open your entry door for you. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you're notified when the next crazy video comes out. Have a great day.